gas. And what I want you to do when you're changing from first to second is you've got into a bad habit. You've got one. You've got a bad habit.
What is it? Not going into third. What is it?
It is how you transition from first to second.
How do I transition?
You put it in neutral and then you go back into second. You can just push it away from you and jump straight from 1 to 2. You don't have to do that little step in between.
What step do I do?
You put it in neutral.
How do I not put it in? Oh.
Push it away from you. We'll try it in a minute.
Oh no.
Here we go, we get to practice it here. Pop it into first. Now what I want you to do is just look at me. You're going to go like that. What you're doing at the moment is going...
Oh, I see.
Yeah? Alright. Good, so gas, clutch up. Look at that.
Okay.
Wow. God, I'm losing my voice. I really am. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm like a spluttering mess still.
It's okay.
Just not getting better. Did you do the trick?
I did, but you were coughing.
I'm so sorry.
I know.
I'm so disappointed with
It's okay.
myself. Well
Okay.
done,
I was
Iris.
proud of myself for my
I am. I always feel so bad.